Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Top 5 Hunter. We are coming up with another great video for the top 5 best 4K drone camera right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60 FPS video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. Aovo Sync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 mi/10 km and can also deliver a 1080p FHD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. DJI FPV Combo. The DJI FPV Combo racing drone emphasizes high-speed first-person flight over imaging, making it exhilarating to use, but potentially dangerous if handled without care. Reliable hardware, quality cameras, and strong safety features have opened the world of aerial imaging to photographers who haven't braved an open-door helicopter flight, or those who would never consider doing so in the first place. DJI newest drone, the FPV Combo, $1,299, is a different beast entirely. It's built for high-speed performance and first-person flight, satisfying thrill-seekers and drone racing enthusiasts over aerial photographers. Its camera is capable, but it takes a back seat to the flight experience. That's one of the reasons we're not giving the FPV Combo a rating at this time. I've tested plenty of photography-first drones, but I have very limited experience with FPV racers, so I didn't brave trying the Combo out in manual flight mode, up to 87 mph, myself. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. DRONEEYE 4D F6 Drone. 4K HD camera, including an adjustable angle, which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. 5G Wi-Fi 800 FT transmission ensures the high-speed real-time image. GPS positioning helps the 4D F6 drone hover steadily to catch clearer images and return to home precisely whenever the battery is low, the signal is lost, or you like to get it back. Never lose your drone. The drone can do auto-hovering. Design a flight path by tapping several points or make it fly in a circle with the camera always against the same point by setting a point on the app screen, which helps dedicate yourself to more creative and amazing photography. It can fly to where you are unable to reach. Lasts 60 mins. Made of solid material, there can always be surprises on the journey with 4D F6. Help you take great selfies or panoramic views looking down from the sky. Explore the world with the help of it. Unfolded: 12.912.92.3 in / folded. 7.04.7 * 2.3 in. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Aovo Drones. Experience breathtaking 4K Ultra HD picture, 3840x 2160, quality and 2.7K video for stunning clarity, deep contrast, and vivid colors. Fascinating beauty in ultra-high definition. A 120 DEG FOV lens, 90 DEG adjustable anti-shake camera allows users to take incredible videos and photos. Besides, 5 GHz FPV transmission guarantees longer, 1,640 feet, and smoother image transmission. With a max battery life of 30 minutes, our drone is equipped with 2 batteries, granting 60 minutes, more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. The long-life brushless motors have lower power consumption and give you a quieter flight, The foldable drone and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoors. With the strong GPS positioning and a double stable system, Aovo drone provides a very stable flight both indoors and outdoors. The drone will return to its takeoff location while there's a low voltage warning or the signal is lost. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. CHUBORY X11 Pro GPS Drones. With a splendid 4K Ultra HD Sony camera, you can enjoy 4K UHD pictures and 2.3K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, and vivid colors. Upgraded 2-axis gimbal plus unique designs of the drone make the drone much more stable than others. 120 deg FOV lens and 90 deg adjustable camera give you a broad view. This is the ideal drone for adults/kids who want high-quality videos or pictures. Equipped with an upgraded 2850 mAh battery, the drone can fly for 30 minutes for each battery. We provide 3 batteries for each drone so that you can enjoy 90 minutes of super long flight time while no need to pay extra money. It comes with beginner settings to let you get used to it, and then you can use other functions further. It's easy to fly for all levels. Intelligent flight features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, hand gesture shots make you fly like an expert to explore the fun of the aerial film. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.